to Ken's Family Channel.
Hello everyone, my name is Ken and we're gonna make some
Chiffon Cupcake Mamon. Yes, today is Sunday, right Ken? And we're going
This
to
is
make some
Chiffon
Chiffon Cupcake Mamon. We're gonna bake, right? Okay, these are the
butter.
ingredients for the batter. This one.
For the chiffon.
Batter. This is for the meringue. Here. Okay.
This is salt. I don't
Okay,
know
a
what's
pinch
this.
of salt.
I don't know what's this.
This one is 1 teaspoon baking powder,
And sugar.
1/4 cup
sugar.
sugar,
And then oil.
1/4 cup oil,
Or
and then we have 1 cup cake flour
and milk.
and 1/2 cup milk. You can use
And 4
evap
eggs.
and 4 egg yolks, right? Okay, this
And
is
there's one more
for the batter.
sugar.
And for our meringue, we have a pinch of cream of tartar and 1/4 cup sugar and 4 egg whites. Okay, are you ready? Yes, we're going to start
What are we gonna
now.
put first?
Yes, we're going to make the batter first, okay? And pour it again. Second time. This is the second 16. Okay. And the third time. Okay, the last.
This is so sticky.
Is it sticking?
It's sticky.
Yeah. A pinch of salt.
Then sugar.
Yes, add the sugar.
And then this.
Baking powder.
And
Then we add the milk.
it'll be so sticky.
Wait.
This part is
oh
not
no,
wet.
don't touch.
The
Okay,
center is not wet.
next we're going to add the 1/4 cup oil.
Let's destroy that one.
Then
Eggs.
4 egg yolks.
Hey, it's so big.
Okay, then we'll use whisker. Yeah, that one. Okay, we can whisk until it's smooth.
It's slimy at start.
Yes. Okay.
It looks like baby food.
Baby food, a Cerelac. Yes. It's so fun to bake some cupcakes, right, Ken?
It's like you're making art because when you make art, it turned out to be ugly to nice.
Yes.
Still flour.
Keep turning and until it's
How much minutes?
smooth. Like 2 minutes. Papa has stronger hands. Okay, just whisk until it's smooth. Then done. Okay, here's Ken again. Okay, come on, Ken. You can do it. Oh, it's almost smooth now. Let's check. Wow.
Now let's make them around.
And yes, and Mommy's gonna do it because it's hard for Ken. Okay, here's the meringue. There. Okay, we'll start from
Here, in our mixer, we beat the egg whites for about 7 minutes at a medium speed. Our mixer is Immerflex. Pour in the cream of tartar, and after 2 minutes, we're going to gradually add the white sugar. We're going to beat this until soft peaks are formed.
Now, here's our meringue. Here, we're going to fold the meringue into the batter. We're going to do it slowly. Okay, first, we're going to pour a little batter first. Okay. There. Into the meringue. There, and then let's try to fold. First, we're trying to fold the two mixtures together.
Okay, the two mixtures are already folded together. There, it's so yummy. And now, Ken, come here, Ken. We're going to put the mixture in each cupcake. There. I think that's too much. Okay. Then there. Okay. Then we're ready to toast it into the oven. Okay, let's go. Okay, we'll bake this into the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. Let's go. Check the cupcakes after 10 minutes. Let's check. Wow! Here are the cupcakes. Yummy!
Ooh, I can't wait to eat the cupcakes.
Okay. No, don't open, Ken. We'll just check it out. Okay, let's check. Let's see.
They're not doing so.
They're growing? Wow, yummy, they're growing. So incredible, right? Oh, look at the cupcakes.
Here's the first batch of cupcakes.
Wow,
I'm gonna choose without cheese.
Okay, let's try. Okay, in this recipe, we were able to make 17 cupcakes. And we still have 5 more cupcakes in the oven right now.
It's so sticky.
Okay, and here. Okay, let's eat. Papa's here. Let's try to eat. Hi. Let's eat, everyone. How does it taste?
Yummy.
This is
The
our
sides is hard. I look about how
yeah. This is our 4th attempt. It's not really perfect, but it's so yummy. Is it right, yummy, Ken? This is Ken's favorite.
Let's eat!
Okay.
And I'm gonna share these to my cousin.
Yes. Yummy. How does it taste? Let me see.
Okay, can we show it? This is how it looks like.
So white.
Yeah, and it's so
The
soft.
camera.
It's yummy. It's very soft, right, Ken?
I'm gonna share now.
Okay, let's go and share, everyone.
Bye everyone! And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!